Hey, what's up guys? So in this video, we will see can we control the music player in iPhone with the Xiaomi Smart Band 10 or not? Now the answer is yes. The Xiaomi Smart Band 10 can control the music playback on any iPhone. Now to do that, first of all, just make sure you pair your Xiaomi Smart Band 10 to your iPhone through the Mi Fitness app. After that, when you pair your Xiaomi Smart Band 10 to your iPhone, just play any music on your iPhone. Then on your Xiaomi Smart Band 10, just swipe up and open the app drawer. Then tap on More. And from here, you will find the option of music. Just tap on it. And from here, you can play or pause the music on your iPhone. Just like that. And you can fast forward.
Turn your voice, your beats, your sound, any music you can imagine consuming.
You can increase or decrease the sound. And this is it. Make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. Thank you for watching.